Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. My goodness, it's a decent day today. Still cold outside, still cloudy, but the market not doing too bad, especially cryptocurrency. Let's take well, we got to figure out where that chart is there. That Bitcoin chart's not looking too good right now. We'll get it. We got D's first in the chat. What's going on, D's? You are first, man. Paul, you are second. It was close. D's, Paul, D's, Paul, D's, Paul, Chris, Paul, D's, Pudgy, Outdoor Smile. We got Pudgy, Outdoor Smile, Rich, Outdoor Smile. We got Rich, Outdoor, Pudgy, Rich, Kenneth, Pudgy, Nick F, Rich, Outdoor, Kenneth, Pudgy, Nick F, Outdoor, Kenneth, Pudgy, Outdoor, Pudgy, Kenneth. We've got Outdoor, Rich, Kenneth, Pudgy, Pika, Rich, Kenneth, Pika. We've got Rich, Gorilla, Slayer, and Kenneth. Slayer's green, baby. You guys know what to do with the green Slayer out there. Welcome to the bros, Slayer. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Looking good, man. Looking good. Let's check out the market. It got AMC $3.85, down 2.78%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 840 points per coin. GameStop bouncing around after hours right there, closing up 1.48% today, $16.46. That's still pretty low, guys. Bitcoin bouncing up all the way, testing $17,000 again. $17,023 on Bitcoin, but coming back down to $17,900 flat. Decent decline after a decent rise. You guys got to see Ethereum Classic, though. Ethereum Classic was moving, man. NASDAQ soaring. Flying. The NASDAQ actually doing pretty well today, even though it came back down a little bit from the 10,600 highs, closing at 10,564. Still finished 2.56% higher on the day. GameStop, like we said, $16.46. Bureau Therapeutics, $2.06. AMC, $3.85. Ethereum, $12.65. Shiba, $8.40. Dogecoin, 7.2 cents. Bitcoin, 16,900 flat. Sundial, $2.13. Mullen Auto. Dude, Mullen Auto actually moving quite a bit from where it was earlier today, closing down 9.59% after running up to 47.75 cents, sitting at 36 cents after hours. Pretty volatile action in Mullen Auto. Might be giving us a third opportunity for massive gains. So if Mullen Auto does fall pretty hard, if you guys have not taken profits already, it may be buckling up for another massive rally off a decent bottom down here. So we'll have to keep our eyes on Mullen Auto on the daily chart. Nonetheless, still elevated very greatly from where it was before. Nice gains for anybody that got down in there in that 18 to 20 cent range. CEI sitting at $1.78. The SPY, $387.87. BBIG, 51.5 cents. Highcroft Mining, 58.28 cents. Netflix closing the day at $315.55. Not bad, up 2% for Netflix. Terra Luna Classic sitting at $15.3. The QQQ, $268. And Ape sitting at $1.36 in the close. Barcoding nonetheless. Not very exciting action in Ape over the last couple of days there. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. D's peanuts and these. Is that like an acorn, or is that like an upside down acorn, or is that a oh god, hazelnut? Is that a hazelnut or like a shelled acorn? I don't know which one that is, man. These hazelnuts? These acorns? What is it, man? You first, baby. You are first. Oh yes. We got that authorized hydration for D's out there. Somebody please tell me what that is. Is it a hazelnut or is it an acorn? D's, man, I got you. Oh, look at that clean peach, man. It looks so nice. D's. Yes, man. Yes. Got promoted professional moderator yesterday. Boom, baby, Pudgy pro moderator. I like it. Moji Peach all day. That's Moji's Peach. I like it. Slayer JC loving the emojis over there. Beware of gray names. I'm killing them this week. Are there any gray names that are even in the chat right now? I don't even think so, dude. It's all gray. It's all green and it's all blue. I'm still in Mullen at 18 plus cents. Yeah, Tim, not bad, dude. Not bad. If you're holding on to Mullen, hold on to Mullen. If don't let it go below 18 cents though. Come on, man. If you got to take a 10% gain, take a 10% gain, but don't let it go a 10% loss. Nobody wants to see that. We've got Kenneth, Peak of Power, Kenneth, Kenneth, peak of power. Hey guys, what's going on, old rounder bro? How you doing, man? These hazelnuts. That's what it looks like to me, man. That's what it looks like to me. Welcome, Slayer. Oh, yes. Pika saying, welcome to Slayer. Thank you very much, Pika, for saying welcome to Slayer. Grabbing that green name. It looks so good on him. Mullen will go back down to 22 cents. I've done bought a boatload for when they release 5EV. Kenneth, when are they going to do it, man? When are they going to do it? Like, should I be getting into Mullen on this next fall, or what's the honest deal, man? Strange, I haven't been getting notifications for your live streams. You know what, dude? My dad actually said the exact same thing. I don't know what the deal is. He said the exact same thing like 3 or 4 days ago. Dude, you know, you've got a choice. Like, I've got a choice, I should say. Not you, technically. I've got a choice. You know, I can sit here and be like, oh, woe is me. YouTube is not sending notifications out. YouTube hates me, blah, blah, blah. We might as well give up because you... Or just keep pushing on, dude. I can't control YouTube's notifications. That's something that's out of my realm. If YouTube doesn't want to share it, that's dumb because that just means less views for YouTube. So I don't understand what their problem is and the fact that they don't notify people of live streams and some videos and things like that, but... Whatever, YouTube, transcribe that. Thank you, gotta enjoy it a little. Do it, Slayer, do it. I'm gonna move. I'm a mod on every channel except Uncle Matt. Dang, man. And you spend the most time here, Pudgy. I like it. I like it. What? Website Warrior. Get it? I don't even know what that means, man. Let's get it. Transparent on my other accounts right now. Chris, glad to have you in here on this account right now. Nice, Pudgy. Heck yeah. Welcome, Pika. Welcome. CEI hit their new all-time low today. Gosh, dude. CEI. Let's take a look at CEI real quick. CEI, very low volume, looking like Braille right here. Nonetheless, that is true, man. CEI getting destroyed, man. Post-split numbers. Put the previous run up that was to what? Like $3? Up to almost $300? Yeah. I can't even get back in there now. That run up that we had last year, I swear it was to like $3. From like 60 cents to $3 or whatever it was. Just 30 cents to $3. I forget what the actual run was to, or was it $6, man? I don't know. Maybe it was $6. Nonetheless, $242 down to $1.78. Losses come in all shapes and sizes, and this is a heavy loss. Yeah, CEI getting ripped, man. Is anybody in CEI, or does anybody plan on buying CEI? Like, if it continues to come down? You know, I've got it on the watch list here because it had been so volatile in the past and it had ran up nicely. I don't even know at this point, man, if I plan on taking a chance in CEI. Like one green day, one little bounce. I mean, I don't know. The losses there just look a little desperate. We may replace that on the watch list with something, but I don't know. I don't know about that one. If you guys do, let me know what you think. Hey, bro. Hope you're doing good, bro. Content creator. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, man. We're going to make 2023 the best year ever, for real. We're going to do that. So I'm doing good. Tonic's what? Is Tonic crashing right now? Let's see what Tectonic is doing, man. I didn't know if Tectonic was crashing. Bonk is actually back up a little bit, guys. Bonk down 30%, yes, but Bonk is sitting at 2,100 or 21 points per coin as opposed to 17 points per coin where it was at earlier. Bonk, or Tonic coming down, yeah. I don't know if it's necessarily crashing just yet. It's down pretty heavy from where it was yesterday at 1,700 points per coin, sitting at 1,300 points per coin, but still up from the 800 points per coin that it was at last week. So coming back down, if it falls through this level, which it may be doing right now, okay, could lead to a drop back down to the 800 point per coin level. So watch out for that if you guys are getting into Tectonic. Could be something you guys want to keep an eye on, but I'm not gonna lie, man. With it having doubled in price like 2 times over the last 2.5 months, the Tectonic might be something that I start to stack a little bit down in, if it comes back down to this area in here. I'd like to sit on a quick double. I don't think that's too bad at all. Oops, I don't know if I was zoomed this area. I don't know if that was on the chart when I showed that or not. Yeah, Tectonic, man. That's not something that I would be terribly adverse to holding for another run like that. Bought CEI today at $1.78. Chris, you plan on holding that, man? Or are you trading that? What's your thoughts on it? Because I don't know too much about CEI, dude. I really don't. Oh, Terra Luna Classic reached 10 cents by 2025. 10 cents is going to require 90% burns. I don't think it's impossible, but it's going to require some massive burns, content creator. But I like your time frame a lot, dude, because your time frame actually coincides to my next bull market time frame. Not bad, 18 watch, 17 likes. Football, man. Sometimes you go quantity, we go quality. I'd like to go quality in a very high quantity, if you know what I mean, but we got the quality right now. We just need to add the quantity. Not to steal your spotlight, Clay, bro, but another good channel to watch live streams. DJ Trade Market Talk got a lot of good info on LUNC and is a random live stream. Very nice, yeah, Pudgy. No, look, guys, there's no such thing. If people are annoying, like spamming, like, oh, come watch me, come watch me, come watch me, or anything like that, cool. But there's nothing wrong with giving other people shout-outs at all, man. Clay, bro, have you heard about Peercoin? Been out since 2013. Can grab Matic Network. No, Honda. So it's not been on the Polygon network since 2013. But I've not heard about that, man. $25 gets you 2.4 billion Kuma Inu. Yeah, you know what, Kenneth? Somebody was in here talking about Kuma Inu the other day. Do you have Kuma Inu? Do you have Kuma Inu or not? We pulled that website up and looked at it. The thing I like about Kuma Inu seems that there are no taxes, and it's a very similar structure to Shiba Inu. Quadrillion coins outstanding. Nobody can change the smart contract. No taxes. So it doesn't seem bad. Let's see. Bitcoin pure coin. I know nothing about it, Honda. Know nothing about it. Bones. I have the stream going right now. Technical difficulties. The storm should start up again in like 30 to 45 minutes. Hey, D's. What's going on? Hopefully it won't crash. You talking Tectonic? D's. I don't think it's going to crash, but it's already got an extremely low market cap, man. Trading CEI for bonds. There you go, Chris. I absolutely hope you get it. Yo! What's going on, Kristen? How you doing? There was a great live stream last night about canonical. I don't understand why I can't say canonical, man. I don't know why every time I read that word in the video this morning like 50 times. And half the time I got it right and half the time I got it wrong. I'm going to call it a canon. I'm going to call it a cannon, Kristen. We're going to call Kristen the cannon. We got it now. Shout out to Jack. Mama Mella got hit in the head and he's a little crazy. Mama Mella, nice try. Listen, you guys may have gotten me in 2021. You may have gotten me in 2021. I may have let one or two slide in 2022. But we have been on the internet now. This is the start of the third full year. You guys will not get me on any names. Good luck. Change your strategy. Change your strategy, Mama Mella. I'm going to tell you right now, change your strategy because you're not going to get me on a name anymore. No, you will not. Get me on another name. Not going to happen, Mama Mella. Good luck. 2020 has died and gone to heaven, and we are sitting here in 2023. You're not going to do it, man. Not going to do it. I'm just going to warn you now. Now the Matic Network since 2013, but not since 2013. Gotcha, Honda. I have not seen Peercoin, actually. I feel like if a lot of people were completely honest, they would admit they have no idea what the heck a canonical... Okay, so it's true, right? But... canonical, I have no idea how to say it, right? But I did have to look it up. So it is basically, and I don't know if this is specifically based on these Roman books or whatever, but think of it almost like biblical text. When it is written, it is the truth. and they are like it's in those books right there. It was some weird Roman book. I don't know. I don't know the whole backstory on it or whatever. And the dude kind of likes going back to and quoting ancient times, things like that, with his seigniorage and canonical, however you pronounce it. I don't know. But Ed does like referencing seigniorage and canonical and all that stuff. So I did have to look it up, and it has to deal with old Roman texts and old Roman books that are kind of like the rule of thumb or the law or the governing body at that point. 20 likes, 5 of y'all need to give it the program. Please click the like button, guys. Let's see. Claire, are you still holding your AMC and Ape? Ronald, at this point, yes. I honestly don't even know if I'm ever going to sell them at this point, man. They're so far out of my care that I really don't care if I hold them or I sell them at all, okay? I'm down big. One of the reasons I did not want to sell them in 2022 was because I already had a whopping loss, dude. I didn't want to add to any more losses there. So I may sell them this year at some point for a loss or a gain. But even then, man, I don't need to. It's not like I'm going to be sitting here worrying about losses for a very long time. I have plenty of tax write-offs for the rest of my life. I'll tell you that right now. So yeah, dude, at this point of the game, they're kind of just like a splinter in my portfolio, and I'm not excited about them. I'll say that. I do still hold I did not sell any of them. I haven't touched them since I got into them. Average on AMC was at 13 something. I don't know. So it's obviously down big. And then, the Ape average is 0 since it was basically a dividend. But yeah, nonetheless, man, down big, still got it, but did not sell it or anything like that because I already had plenty of losses to offset everything. So yeah, they might just be sitting in there for a while, like a little battle scar, dude. They might be a little battle scar in my portfolio to remind me that when you are sitting on a massive profit, don't let it turn into a loss. Don't get emotional about a position, even, let's say, for example, we wake up tomorrow and something's revolutionizing the world, and, I've got a bunch of Bitcoin or something, or I don't care what the stock is, right? Maybe it's farmy again, who the heck knows? But all of a sudden, we start making videos. We start accumulating shares of XYZ company, or farmy. And then it takes off, dude. We make $1 million on it. We're up. We're doing good. There's 1 million subscribers in here. And then you become emotionally attached to it. Like, well, dude, it catapulted the channel. It's doing so well. This dip is just a little dip. It's going to bounce back. And then you let all these emotions kind of plague your mind into not being rational, but making a decision based on the fact that, well, it's a good stock. It helps. Who the heck cares, man? The only reason you're buying these companies in the first place is to make money on them. So I might just leave AMC in there at this point, dude, since I can't really worry about writing any losses off for a long time, is for the battle scar memory of what not to do if you're making money and you're doing well in a position. Don't give back all those gains, man. Just don't do it. Joker. Some girl at Home Depot told me that one time. I don't necessarily see it, but yeah, some other people have said that. Joseph Gordon-Levitt, people have said that, man. I don't necessarily see that, but apparently other people do. Joker, thank you. Dude seems like a decent guy, man. I don't know him, but he seems like a decent guy. Mullen's electric vehicle portfolio includes the 5 electric vehicle crossover, Mullen commercial class, a 1 to 3 EVs, and Bollinger Motors, which features both the B1 and B2 electric SUV trucks and class 4 to 6 commercial offerings. Kenneth, I'm not gonna lie, that kind of went over my head. So they got 5 different types, or that is the name of their electric vehicle is the 5. That's their crossover. Is that what you're saying, or is it the 5? I never really looked into Mullen Auto too much, man. Hope Shibarium makes X Fund go crazy so I can retire. Content creator. Okay, so you're kind of taking that approach to it. Not a bad deal, man. Not a bad deal. Kind of getting in on X Fund, hoping the use of Shibarium and the excitement about Shibarium drives X Fund up. Not bad content. Patrick Jack MH says, smash that like button, y'all. What's up, Mellow Mama? Oh, yes. Jack MH, definitely smash the like button. Oh, man. And drink some hydration, too, because it is delicious. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it, man. Bonk is the sound your head makes when it hits the floor after someone pulls the rug out from under you. Oh, Kai. Although that is true, man. I don't know if the rug is being pulled on Bonk or not. The coin is only a week old, right? Coin's only a week old. No, a week old. And seemingly, at this point, you know, people did make some money, man. So I don't know if it's just everybody selling off, getting a little nervous, which you kind of do in that situation. You know what I mean? You got just a small group of investors. Everybody's looking at everybody else like, oh, don't you sell off. Nah, you better not sell off. No, you better not sell off. No, you better not sell off. Oh, is he selling? Is he selling? Is he selling? This idiot says he's holding, but is he selling? And then the price starts to come down, and then they get nervous, and then they sell too. And it does. It starts to, as fast as it went up, it could go down just as fast. So please be careful if you guys are in Bonk. I have no idea whatsoever. I don't have any, unfortunately. Or fortunately today, I did not buy any yesterday. But it would have been nice to get into last week. Hey, gotta go, guys. Kristen, man, enjoy your day. Thank you very much for being in here. We got Dark Bro, you in here? Dark Bro, I don't know. Clay Bro sells farming, keeps AMC. Yeah, dude. And both of them were terrible decisions. Well, selling farming was actually a good decision at that point because I would be down much, much larger right now. But it's true, man. It is true. I hope so, too. Something I was ignored. Never, Pudgy. Never. Nobody's ever ignored. If LUNC can add a 0, I'm going harder. Oh, Honda, I do think that LUNC can add a 0. I absolutely think that Terra Luna Classic can add a 0. I thought a huge profit turned red. Had Tesla puts from yesterday up hundreds of percent this morning. I was driving and didn't sell. Now I'm sitting at a 50% loss. Yeah, Mellow Mama, I don't know where your puts were. Like, I don't know where, or Mama Mello, sorry. Mellow Mama, Mama Mello. I don't know where your puts were at, but I was watching Tesla this morning, too. Tesla's sitting at like $101 this morning, and then I actually don't know where it closed, but I did see it at like 112 earlier, so it did jump up pretty nice. Let's see where Tesla went. Okay, so it closed at about $112 then. Sitting in it closed at 100, what? Can't be right. 112. It's up after hours. Hold on. Hold please. 113.06. Closed at 113.06. Up 2.47% of the day after being down to $101.81 and rising all day long there. Roughly a 10% gain during the day. Look, it's tough, especially with options. It becomes a lot harder and a lot more crucial when you're looking at time frames and things like that. But yeah, dude, options are very, very sensitive. Nonetheless, though, man, I hate to see profits turn into losses. That is why, and you guys can make fun of me all day, I would rather take as it's falling, I would rather take a 10% profit and protect myself from any future loss. And then if I get unlucky and it turns back up, okay, it turns back up. But I'd rather take a 10% loss on the way, or 10% gain on the way down, than let a gain turn into a loss and sit there and regret it the rest of the day. I retire when and if Shiba hits 10 cents. Bradley, 10 cents on Shiba is not going to be easy, man. That's going to require some 99% burns of the coin. But if you can burn 99% of it, man, I don't think you're in the wrong there. I really don't. Pudgy AMS, mucho ignore. No, never. Nobody gets ignored in here. LUNC kills 2 more zeros. I'm taking a day off. There you go, Honda. If I could, I would be shorting Bonk. Yeah, I don't think there's any way that you could technically short Bonk, man. It's not really related to anything. I don't know what centralized exchanges it's currently on. So I don't know how you could be shorting Bonk right now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's any DeFi platforms or anything like that that lets you do that. Farmy is the battle scar. Dude, Farmy's a mental battle scar. I don't need reminded of Farmy in my portfolio. No. Farmy's a mental battle scar that I will take with me the rest of my life. I said in the earlier stream that my baby girl headbutted me and said, bonk, bonk, not financial advice. Pat, your little girl's growing up right, man. Your little girl's growing up right. Teaching you how to bonk the bonk investments right from the start. I like it, man. Tesla's going to zero. Roulette wheel, Tesla's not going to zero. That's crazy talk. Options, yes. Maybe working until Social Security, the options, yes. Spaniard. Are you in options? You trade options? Is that you excited about options there? I'm afraid about AMC, this bargain price. If they reverse splits, we would basically be paying $30 to $40 a share. If they ladder us down to 5, we would be at $5. We would have only a tenth of the shares. Yes, Ronald, it is absolutely true, man. It is absolutely true. I don't like the idea of a reverse split. I don't like the idea of combining AMC and Ape. I've not added a share of AMC in... I know it's been over a year. It's been a very long time. 10%, that's Forte money, baby. That is Forte money, J-Bones. You know what it is. AMC is toast, brother. Well, we're going to be sitting on that battle scar then, man. Wait until she goes bang, bang, something, and then buy in, maybe. Bonk is on MEXC, man. Is it MEXC Global? Bonk is also on PancakeSwap. Honda, can you short, though? If people are looking to short Bonk, is there any way that you would be able to do that on MEXC? Because I don't use MEXC. MEXC does want to give me an affiliate link, but I don't know anybody that does use MEXC, and I don't use them, so I don't know. Still ignored. I even spent time to spell it out right. Pudgy, what are you talking about, man? I didn't see it. No, Pudgy, whatever you said did not come through, because the last thing you said was I was ignored, and then still ignored. I even spent the time to spell it out right. Spell it out wrong. Because if you thought you were ignored again, obviously that's wrong. So spell it out wrong. Because YouTube must have been moving something there, not letting something come through. J-Bones! Yeah, beat me to the 10% the Forte joke. I'm telling you, dude, you guys can buy a Forte on the 10% though. $100 put strike, or $100 put strike for next week expiration. I was driving. I usually slap trailing stop when I'm up and didn't get a chance to apply it. Yeah, Mama Mellow, man, I'm telling you. And sometimes, too, you don't want to. Sometimes you'll tell yourself, I'm up. I'll let it come back down a little bit. It's not going to go that far down. I'll let it ride. I'll just let it ride. I'll let it ride. And then you're punching yourself in the side of the head because you're like, oh, what an idiot. I should not have let it ride, man. I should have just protected my stupid profit that I had there. I've done it before, and I will never do it again, man. Never do it again. Here's to hoping, right? I can sell my bump, no problem. I'm about to double up if it can crash some. Oh my gosh, Honda, very nice, man. Anywhere on the AMC 8 merge. D's, I have not seen anything on it in a long time. The latest that I've seen from Adam Aaron was just shared some stupid like video meme of him, Ryan Cohen, and Elon Musk, maybe? Elon Musk, like their faces on those 3 guys that were dancing in that kid's basement, and said, wow, you guys are so creative. That's all I do, amico. Spaniard, really? Okay. Well, I know some guys, dude. I know some guys that only ever traded options on the SPY. They didn't touch anything else. That was it. Let's see. Ronald, I'm in AMC, and I'm telling you, don't, brother, at this point. Pretty sure all of us still in will just be ready for it to be over. Yeah, Chris, dude, I don't know if you heard me saying a little bit earlier, dude. To me, it's just a reminder in my portfolio right now. I'm not excited about it at all. I'm not interested in it at all. I'm just sitting there holding it. 4 back. 4 back, dude. I don't know how I go 4 back, man. Supercalifragilistic? Expialidocious? Hey, Kristen? I love bubble wrap. I don't know what you're talking about, Pudgy. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Nice. XPI calls. Had one contract from yesterday. Closed that bad boy today on a $4,500 gain. Boom! I like it. Spaniard. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations on that one. Don't lose it on Monday, please. Don't lose it on Monday. Hey, bro. Do you get matching banana hammocks with a Forte purchase? Asking for a friend. No, you got to buy those separately, but you can get matching ones when you buy them separately. It doesn't come with the car. It's Honda money right there, baby. Oh, yes. Something in the crypto markets, something quite atrocious. Oh, God. D's, are you expanding upon the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? Something in the crypto market, something quite atrocious. Tim, what's happening, Tim? Peek, what's going on? People call me a sucker for selling AMC at 30. You're a rich sucker. You're a rich sucker out there, Smile. I'll call you a sucker, too. You're a rich little sucker. All right, man. Holding Shib for a lot of money or zero. Better than Ezra? There you go. You know how much my brain hurts to spell that out, right? You know how much my brain hurts to read that out, right? Now my brain doesn't hurt reading it. Let's see. Oh, is SPX only traded on Webull, though. I hate Webull. I only have Webull for SPX. It's not on Robinhood, TD, E-Trade. I don't know. Dude, don't hate on Webull, man. I like Webull. Literally, what do you not like about Webull, though? Because I do like Webull. Hey, not gonna lie. It didn't listen earlier, but still the stream run. But still let the stream run to support the brawl. God, Chris. Thank you. Thank you. Also, since my portfolio is so new and small, I'm not tripping on it for now. Boom, baby, Chris, I like it, man. Clay, I'm back in crypto. Ow, ow, ow. Pika, did you jump in bonk? Pika, what kind of crypto are we in right now? I like it. Webull is legit. Won't get scammed there. I do like Webull. Banana hammock with a car? Where? That's weird. You gotta buy it separate, man. You gotta buy it separate. Getting out of AMC 8 was like, stop punching myself and yeah. Swing trading, it was like, oh my God, dude. Oh my God. I don't even know if I can read that comment, Tim. Patrick, that's quite a mouthful. Better hydrate. Oh my gosh, almost knocked the crown off the table. Thank you very much, Pat. For the super chat. I'm very sorry to Pika's crown. Pika, your crown might be bent right now. I don't know. That was not a good sound. Pika, best time ever to get... No, it really is a very good time to get into crypto. Crypto down big. I think that crypto can come down even further. Yes. But imagine getting in now compared to getting in 2021. If you still believe in crypto... You are guaranteed to 10x your money if we just get back to where we were. 10xing your money, man. 10 grand turns into $100,000. Like, $1,000 turns into $10,000. $100 turns into $1,000, man. I don't know what you guys are investing out there, but, dude, I would take a 10x gain over the next 2-3 years. Like, come on. A lot of my friends hate on crypto and think BTC will never go above 20,000 ever again. Better than Ezra, let me say this. When everybody starts to think that, that's when the bottom is in, okay? Having mined cryptocurrency and having been in the cryptocurrency space since like 2017, it was euphoric when everything was running up. And at the end of 2017. After everything fell down that first time, my first experience with things falling down like that, it was difficult, man. It was difficult because the mentality started to approach that, well, this stuff probably is, dead. It's been down for 2 years now. It is extremely low. Nobody's really talking about it anymore. It does seem like this is going to be a very difficult time for crypto. Welcome 2021. Nice bottle rocket, man. Going off. Everybody loves crypto again. Ooh. 2023. Your friends are telling you an idiot. You're thinking that you're an idiot. The banks are telling you you're an idiot. The news is telling you you're an idiot. Everybody's going to think the cryptocurrency is dead again. Nobody's going to want to buy Shiba at 100 points per coin. Nobody's going to buy Bitcoin at $5,000 a coin. Nobody's going to want to buy Terra Luna Classic at 100 points per coin. Everybody's going to think it's dead. 2025 rolls around. Bottle rockets again, man. And at that point, you got lucky. You got lucky that you stayed in crypto. You got lucky that you bought it during the bottom in 2023. Do you feel lucky right now? I don't feel lucky, man. I feel like I'm actively doing something. Pudgy, what's on my nose? The truth, baby. Oh, yes, Chris. If it's bent, I shall get you a new one. No, it's not bent. I didn't hit it that hard. It still looks good. It still looks good. Maybe my head's bent. My head could be bent. Shiba LUNC file token ether atom doge. This. That's like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Shiba LUNC file token ether atom docious. MD, that was a freaking classic. I like it, MD. I don't care about how crap falling. I'm holding 5 to 10 years. Boom, better than Ezra. I like it. Ignore your friends then. Yes, Mullen has 2 SUVs, 4 commercial trucks, the $10,000 electric vehicle delivery electric vehicle cars, plus their electric vehicle 5 and their EV5 crossover. My gosh. Wait, you're stock guy. No, you know, crypto trader amico. You're conservative. No, listen, I like holding crypto, okay? So I do honestly believe that cryptocurrency has a very strong future, right? And I really don't like trading that much either. I really don't like trading. Every time I trade, it doesn't end up right. So I would much rather just be a holder, like a longer term investor, somebody who's just sitting here and stacking. Even though that's boring and it's not sexy, right? I feel more comfortable doing that. And I really do believe in the future of crypto, though. I think that whether there's only 100, 200 coins one day that make it through the regulations and the laws that come to pass, once we get to that era, it might be 10, 15, 20 years from now, right? Once we get to that era, we're going to be thinking, gosh, dude, I wish, if you would have just bought one Bitcoin for 10 grand back in the day, you'd be a millionaire now. Oh my gosh, dude. If you would have just stacked a couple of Ethereum, you'd be a millionaire now. I think that we do get to the point where digital assets are more conservative than they are now. And when we do get to that point, dude, they're going to be much more expensive than what we are now, too. Let's see. Honestly, you hit the lottery pump on a crap coin. Good luck. No, I do believe all those little crap coins are more of a lottery ticket play, dude. I really do. A lot of altcoins have much higher potential, but I slightly agree with you on that one, Spaniard. I will say this, though, man. I will say this. Options are crazier than crypto. Options really are crazier than crypto. You can have a 20x option gain, dude, in an afternoon. Options are nuts if you're playing close to expiration options. They're crazy. Let it die. Just let it crash. Buy the heck out of it. Come on, 2025. Let's go. Waiting for the Unicow. Oh, yes, the Unicow, man. The Unicow. Thoughts on long-term hold for XRP? Jajabelli, I think that XRP is going to be doing very well if they win their suit. If they lose their suit, I think that they're going to be doing worse than they are now. We got 2 Unicows. I like it. We got a Unicow and we've got a King Unicow coming right up for Tim and Pika. Ooh, this is gonna be good. We've got a Una. What? I don't like where that's going right there. I like it. We've got a Una. Thank you very much. Time for the Unicow, and we've got a Uni-King cow. Yes, it's the best one. thank you very much. Pika, thank you very much. Tim for the Unicow, absolutely love it. I do have some Voyager news, Bronson. I'll talk about that in 2 seconds after I say, Kenneth, thank you very much for the 5 green names. Guys, grab those green names right now. Mark got a green name. Anonium got a green name. The famous one's got a green name. Jake got a green name. And Nufo de Puto. Ahoo! Nufo, man. Grabbing a green name. Looking good. Yes, guys. Yes. Anybody that got a green name right now, please say thank you. Shout out to Kenneth. Anybody in here right now, please just thank Kenneth for being Kenneth, man. Throwing 5 green names out in the chat. Kenneth, thank you very much for that. We all appreciate you. We're getting rid of these great names, one guy at a time. Nate, Days on the Grind, Ali, anybody that didn't get a green name, make sure you click on Kenneth Singh and you enable gift receiving. If you want a green name and somebody gives out green names like that, please make sure you have gift receiving enabled if you want to be able to claim one of those green names. Let's see here. Kenneth is the absolute man. Ooh, that sounded like a dead cow that came back. No, it didn't, Kalani. That sounded like a real cow. Voyager news, man. So, Bronson, the latest in the Voyager news is that the SEC is trying to give Binance a hard time. I don't know why the SEC is trying to give Binance a hard time, but the SEC wants Binance to come forth with some proof of funds or something, or proof of interest, or I don't know what they were really saying about buying Voyager for the $1 billion. So they're requiring a little bit more out of Binance, and they may be putting kind of not a hold, but it just may be a little bit more difficult for Binance to buy Voyager. Compliments of the SEC. So thank you, SEC, for making things more complicated. Aside from that, this has not affected Voyager just yet. I'm going to do a video on it tonight, briefly. Cryptocurrency news, talking about this. You're allowed to think anybody is an idiot, right? Whether they're smart or they're dumb. You're allowed to think anybody is an idiot. And I honestly think that one of the dumbest people in the world right now may be the bankruptcy judge for the Celsius case. There's no ill intentions in that. And it is actually true. So even if there are ill intentions, if it's true, it's not defamatory. So knowing that, here's what they decided, okay? Celsius needed like $15 or $20 million to keep paying the people that are working for Celsius. And the bankruptcy judge decided, okay, you can have the $15 million. You can pay $15 million out to your employees who are currently doing nothing at Celsius. Celsius is like Voyager. You cannot use Voyager. You cannot deposit. You cannot withdraw. You cannot trade. You cannot access your money. You cannot do anything with Voyager. I don't think anybody working for Voyager should be receiving a single dime in pay. The bankruptcy judge for Celsius said that, you want to give your employees $15 million to continue running operations, which are literally nothing. You can have the $15 million. What that decision decided, essentially, is that any of the deposits that were made on the Celsius platform, those are not the funds of depositors. Those are 100% sole custody and sole ownership of Celsius. So that is actually, if they take the findings from that case and move it over to Voyager, that could be a very bad sign if Binance doesn't go through with the purchase and Binance doesn't go through and buy up Voyager at that point. Because that would basically be saying, dude, if they want to 100% screw over their depositors, they can 100% screw over their depositors. I do not think that those people should get a single dime. I don't even think that they should be working right now. If they're not providing a service, I have no idea why they're getting $15 million. Dogs are just looking at you like WTF, as they should, Tim, because they want you to go take care of the cow. Let's see. Almost got scammed by a fake Clay Bro. Good to be here with a genuine Clay Bro. Dude, once you spend enough time with the real one, you know that the fakes are fake. Nice, bro. Kenneth is nice, man. I like both, Nate. I know I missed something there. Sorry for that one. J-Bones! We got a King Unit Turkey in the chat, man. King Unit Turkey. King Unit Turkeys are good, dude. Look at that curly turkey. Little curly turkey. J-Bones! Thank you very much for the King Unit Turkey looking good. Dude, this is just going to become my new hairstyle, man. I don't know. You guys like the unicorn so much. We're just going to make it. Choose the unicow. The unicow chooses you, baby. It does. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it, man. Dogelon Mars, good coins. Ali, I do not own any Dogelon Mars, but a lot of people do, man. Dogelon Mars, very popular. CZ pays for GGs. Whoa, the hassle will cease. And a couple of huge political donations wouldn't hurt either. Just saying. Yeah, Tim Hogan, I agree with you 100% on that. If you want to blackmail Gary Gensler, you can absolutely blackmail Gary Gensler. Get a little of those, not even necessarily blackmail, because you don't even need anything on him. Just pay him off. Just pay him off. Seemed to work for Sam Bankman-Fried, guys. Sam Bankman-Fried's hanging out with his mom and his dad, probably eating lunch right now. And probably having a pretty good lunch as well. Green name giveaway week for me. I get bored and you get green and Clay gets hype. Kenneth, man, thank you very much. And it was a beautiful week indeed, man. We do have a lot of new green names in here, and I hope everybody that got a green name appreciates it. I appreciate it. Let's see. Is there no cursing here? What do you mean, like putting a hex on somebody? Is that what you're kind of talking about there? Have you fixed your expired Discord link yet? No, Nate. The stupid Discord link expires every couple days. It's so dumb. Here. If you guys want to join the Discord, you can join the Discord. Pinned to the top of the screen is the Discord link. LUNC is trending right now on Twitter. Anonymous Unknown. Very nice. Yeah, Terra Luna Classic does usually trend on Twitter. I don't know how many tweets you're seeing it trend right now. Could be specific to you. But Terra Luna Classic not doing too bad today. In line with the overall market. Up 1.37%. What I wanted to show you guys was Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic was rolling today. Yeah, Ethereum Classic back up 7% right now. Was touching 1970, 1980 a little earlier. 1990 it wicked up to. Okay, 1992. I saw it at like 1973. 1992 it wicked up to, sitting at 1950 right now. Very, very volatile. Sorry. Very, very volatile Ethereum Classic. And I don't necessarily know why. Because Ethereum, yes, it's doing well, but it is not doing nearly as well as Ethereum Classic is. If you look at the daily chart, Ethereum is coming up nicely here, but it does not look as drastic as Ethereum Classic jumping up. So Ethereum Classic outpacing gains in Ethereum and the overall cryptocurrency market, coming back up to this level of resistance. All right, so please use it for what you will, but nonetheless testing this level of resistance in this area between the bottom end of these candles and potentially the upper end of these candles at the $20 range right there. So keep an eye on that. Unit Turkey, my dogs are scarred, man. Oh no, your dogs love the Unit Turkey, man. They know they love the Unit Turkey. You know you love the Unit Turkey. Next level, what's going on next level? Next, Tim. Any thoughts on Crow? Ronald. Yeah, I do have thoughts on Crow, man. I actually like Crow Coin, okay? I got a very, very small amount of Crow Coin. I do not have a large amount of Crow Coin. But I do think that if, and I should say when, because I believe that Crow Coin is going to survive the bear market. When Crow Coin, or when Crypto.com, I should say, survives the bear market and users begin to return to the cryptocurrency space, that's when I think that all of these crypto exchange coins begin to do very well. Crypto.com coin may come down to a penny again. It may come down to that 1 to 2 cent range. But if it does, and when the exchange survives the bear market, the next bull market is going to be very beautiful. So you got to keep that in mind, man. If you think that Crypto.com is going to die, don't buy Crow. If you think it's going to survive, you may see a further downturn, but it should be doing very well during the next bull market. Gala. I've not seen Gala in a while. We might pull that up here in a second. No, you already answered it a bit. I think you already left. I know I answered you a bit, but I think you already left something. I'm waiting on the lighting to start soon. Oh, lightning. Gotcha. I don't know who you're talking to. I don't think you're talking to me. Hydration, cough, cough. We need to get it. Richard, hydration. Coffee time for me. Boom, baby. We get that authorized hydration coming in from Rich. Rich, thank you very much for the coffee, for the authorized hydration. Loving it, man. Heck yeah, just letting it run. We'll see what kind of fun show Mother Nature wants to give us. That we will. M&D live stream Stormwatch. Heck yeah. D's, I have it live streaming right now. You know it's 775. Very nice. M&D, nice view. M&D's got a nice view. I want to see M&D's view. Let's see if I can pull it up. I gotta go to my subscriptions. I gotta see M&D's view. No, I don't want to see it across my channel. I want to see it across her channel. That is a nice view. Guys want a little beach action right there? Go get a little beach action. Heck yeah. Although it doesn't seem like it's storming to me. It just seems like it's raining. Nice, M&D. Let's see. I'm watching. I did see Paul over there. Paul is watching. Very nice view. Plus, you can hear some winds. Well, I can't hear the wind because my my sound is down on the computer right now. Can you share, Clay? I don't want to leave the stream. I think I did. I already closed it. No, not what I wanted. Hold on. Did I get it? Okay, yeah, but now it's not popping up for me. Why? Why? Yeah, but you're supposed to... Oh, there it is. All right, hold on. That's what M&D's got going on right now over there. Very nice. Very nice. I like it. Pacific Northwest. Gotcha. That's what the PNW is. Whoa! I don't know if that was M&D or what that was. Things about to get weird. 2022 is a great year. 2022 is paving the way for 2023. I'm buying new coins at the bottom. I'm buying millions and billions of each. We'll see what 2025 brings, Kenneth. Absolutely, we will. Always glad to have brothers in hydration. Heck yeah, Pat. Hey, they, indeed. Whiskey is my tip. I have no idea what's going on. No biggie, Clay. After this, I can go look. There you go, man. Now that the turkey is done, I can go to sleep. Pudgy, rest well, my friend. What? Rest well. It's going by really fast. It always does, these. I have no idea. It always does. Love it, bro. Heck yeah. 775. Nice M&D. First, like always. What's going on, Rozzy? We're definitely not first, man. Rozzy is first. Well, next level says Rozzy is first, and Rozzy must be first. We still got M&D going on over there. Moving the camera a little bit. It still looks very nice. Let's see. I'm still here. Pudgy, I thought you were going to sleep already, man. What the heck's going on? Pudgy not sleeping. I thought Pudgy was sleeping, but apparently not sleeping. All right, we're gonna go back over here. Tectonic. I'll show you guys Tectonic real quick. Little recap of Tectonic before we jump off in a couple minutes here. I gotta readjust that. Tectonic sitting at 1,350 points per coin, down 12% on the day. It is down from where it was earlier, $20 million market cap down to a $15 million market cap. The 3-month graph shows that it's spiked up and it's spiking back down very quickly here. So be careful if you guys are in Tectonic. You might want to grab some of those gains. The 1-day action looks like it has been trending lower all day today. 7 days showing the gain and breaking that support level down here that it bounced off before. It is slightly lower than that support level right there. So it might continue to go down, especially knowing that it rose so fast. And if this last little level of support gets broken, might not have too much to keep it back to the upside there. But a 12.19% loss on the day so far. Please watch out for that. Because I know a lot of people are loading up on Tectonic. That was me. I was moving the camera to show you the rest of the view. Yeah, Medea, I'd never, you never know what's going to happen on a live stream, man. You got to be careful. You got some people jumping in front of the camera like that. Whoa, what did we just see? Whoever rules. D's, you rule, man. This is like O'Doyle. O'Doyle rules. O'Doyle rules. O'Doyle. And then you hit the banana peel and you fall off a cliff, man. Let's see. You got to read the super chat with a bro. What? Oh my gosh, I missed the super chat. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Ach, Rich, real men drink scotch. You can? Whatever that means. That was actually, I don't even want to read that twice because I feel like I did so good reading that the first time and that I don't even want to mess it up. I normally would have read that twice, Pat, but I read it so... I played it again in my head, and I read it so well the very first time. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it the second time, man. Thank you very much for pointing out the fact that I missed that super chat, because that was a fun one, dude. That was a really fun one, and I'm glad I killed it the first time. Every time you do the turkey, all these guys, my construction site, are like, WTF is that? I listen on my Bluetooth cranked up. Boom, Tony. Now that's what I'm talking about. You know the guys at the construction site like that? You know what they'll like even more? A little bit of lick and stick. You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Yes, D's, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, D's. I know for some reason, the construction boys, man, they just love the banana a little bit too much. That was awesome. It was really good, dude. It was really good. It was Bonnie Milad. Yeah, it was really good, dude. It was good. I know. We're gonna leave it at that, man. You know it's like the episode of Seinfeld, dude. When he hits a high note and then he's done. He excuses himself for the rest of the day. Like, I feel like we should just end the live stream right now. We should just leave. The weekend's going to be good. We hit that one. We killed it. We nailed it. It'll probably never be duplicated, and we can just get out and end on a high note. I feel like that's what we should be doing right now. Razi, do you have a relative named Hivad that plays poker? I feel like you look like him, and have the same last name. I don't know, man. Rozzy's got some sort of a relative that old Rounder knows. Interesting. Roll yours a wee bit more and spot on. Listen to this, dude. I am the worst. Rich, if you only knew how bad I am at impressions, at accents, at imitations, at anything, you would not even have critiqued that whatsoever. You would have said, Clay, bro, that is the best thing that you have ever done in your entire life. You're just spot on, dude. You're spot on. I'm telling you right now, you're getting way too far ahead of yourself. Rolling my R's, well, no, dude. It is. I am so bad at it. That we can't even attempt it again, dude. Because if I attempt it again, it's gonna be like it's gonna be a bonk. It's going to be a bonk coin. If we attempt that again, dude, it's just going to bonk its head and come right back down. Got to maintain the... Hey, Tony knows, man. Tony knows how to eat them bananas, man. Oh, yes. Yeah, I see everybody saying bro. For the sake of the answer there, Rozzy, yes, it is bro, man. It is bro. Clay, bro. There you go. Last name, Crypto. Bro. I like it. Exactly, man. Clay is a bro. There we go. You guys already know. But it's time to go. Oh my gosh, dude. We are on a roll. Perfect. No, guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're going to get off here, and we're going to enjoy the weekend. It's Friday night. 5 o'clock. You got videos coming out in 2 hours, videos coming out in 3 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure to watch those videos 2, 3, 4, 5 times, because I'm telling you right now, the views are down, man. They are down. Watch them like 3, 4, 5 times. Click the like button, all that good stuff. King Cardova. It is time to shut it, man. It is time to shut it. Shut it down, baby. Shut it down. It is 5 o'clock. We got it, man. We are all bros. Ronald, you already know what it is, dude. You already know what it is. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do the shout-outs, guys. We will be back a little bit later. Appreciate every single one. Well, we're not going to be back later with a live stream. We're going to be back later with videos. Appreciate every single one of you guys, man. Absolutely. Get your name in the chat right now. We will do the shout-outs, and then you got videos tonight. Next level, man. See you later, Tony D. See you later, Rich O. Pat 2B or Pat 12B, man. See you later, Rozzy. See you later, Paul D's Franchise, Pudgy, Rozzy, J Bones, Kane, man. See you later, Kalani, Ronald, Mama Mel, 775, Ice Bear. See you later, D's Franchise. Tim. Thank you very much for the super chat, Tim, man. Paul, see you later. Let's get started. Next level, man. Enjoy your weekend. Pat, see you later. Rich, Back to the Future 99. Old Rounder, Ronald, Pudgy, man. Igno, bro. That is not me. CJ, see you later. Rozzy, Slayer. The green never looks so good, dude. Rozzy, enjoy your day. Tony D, all of you guys. You know what time it is. D's! Yeah, pour the salt out on the table. When you're done pouring the salt out, you throw it over your shoulder because it tastes so good, you gotta... Every time it gets in your eyes and it stings. D's, man, thank you very much for the salt shaker. Loving it. Hope it's not AMC popcorn. No, that's my homemade popcorn, man. I like my homemade popcorn the best. 775 D's, man. Rich O, Tony D, see you later. Kalani, J Bone, Slayer, Pat, Emma D, Rozzy. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, that was so close to being late. Oh, D's. What do you do with a hot dog? You take that hot dog and you dip that hot dog. When you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove that hot dog. D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thought he was late, but he's still here. Pudgy, man. Thank you very much. D's for the super chat. Tim says, buy Clay Bros sticker. He'll end up in a Rio. No, man. We're going to stay in the Forte, Tim. We're going to stay in the Kia Forte. Tim, don't you dare speak that kind of negativity across my life, man. Kia Forte is where it's at, not the Kia Rio, Tim. Come on now. We got shout-outs to Slayer, Pat, Emma D, Rozzy, D's. Kulani, man, D's, Rozzy, Pudgy, Tim, Rozzy, 775. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Dude, D's was right on 10 seconds that time. D's, you were right on. D's, thank you very much for the peach. Hopefully everybody else closed their eyes, because that was for D's eyes only. D's, man, absolutely appreciate it. We got shout-outs to Tim. I think Rozzy's the only one left. Tim, Rozzy, 775. Rozzy. Pat, man, shout-out to you. Rozzy D's, 775. Rozzy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Deez is killing it, man. You guys better help Deez out if you really want me to stay. Deez, thank you very much for the super chat with that little black cat. Thank you very much, Deez. We're staying for overtime. Oh my gosh. Deez, absolutely appreciate it, man. Tim, are we leaving? Nope. Tim, I thought we were leaving. Nope. Tim, I thought we were leaving, man. Nope. Tim says nope. We are not leaving just yet. We are not leaving just yet. Clever hurt my feelings, Rozzy. I'll never hurt your feelings, man. Never. Deez, shout out to you and thank you very much for that pretty little kitty. Next level, loving it right now. Tim, are we leaving? Nope. Yep, we are. Rozzy, see you later, man. Enjoy your weekend. Back to the future later. Enjoy your weekend. Deez, man. Rozzy, 775. Pudgy, gotta beat the record. I don't know if I have the stamina to beat the record tonight. We'll have to see about that. Pudgy, man, enjoy your weekend. And all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Deez, you gotta go a little faster, man. I counted to 14 on that one. Oh, Deez, thank you very much for the super chat. Deez with the little unicorn action. Oh, yes, get that. Oh, yeah. Look at that spiky little horn right there. I like it. Deez, man, I got you. Deez, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. That is the perfect unicorn horn. Absolutely. Deez cutting it very close, man. Cutting it very close. Pudgy knows. Pudgy knows the timing. Pudgy knows. 13% battery. Oh, no. I'm at 7 minutes over right now. Deez, dude, shout out to you. Shout out to Rozzy, 775. Pudgy, Rozzy, Deez. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Dude, you're like 3 seconds slow, Deez. You're like 3 seconds slow, man. Oh my gosh, what a clean peach. Deez, thank you very much for the... Damn, it's time to go, man. It's time to start the weekend. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. Deez, thank you very much for the super chat. Rozzy, Pudgy, Deez, 775. Oh, yes. You guys know what time. I actually don't think you know what time it is. But if you do, and you want to say it with me, I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.